Hi, Mr. Isaac here. I'm going to be showing you how to use display boards and Purple Mash today. Display boards are a great place to share your work with other people. So let's have a look. When you log on to Purple Mash, if you want to have a look at the display boards, go to the Sharing tab. It's a picture of the world in green with an arrow around it. If you click on it and then have a look for the display board you like to look at, we're going to look at the Year 2 display board. So the display board's like a pin board where you can put work on. And we've already got one piece of work pinned to our display board. Let's have a closer look. This piece of work is by Hosanna and it's her wanted poster for Goldilocks. What a great piece of work. Now, what if you want to put a piece of your work on the display board? Well, first of all, you have to find the piece of work you want. Now, it could be one of your to-dos, or it could be something